Good afternoon, Boracay! Nasa kotse pa kami.
Transition. Wow! Ano, ready na kayo?
We're ready.
In 600 meters, turn right.
Break! Speed! Okay lang kayo dyan. Oh, I got it! Yeah. Nasaan na tayo? Korean Town?
Yes. Washington? Ano yung bansa na?
Tara sa Boracay! Malikabok na?
Opo. Parang dalawang estate.
In 300 meters, turn right.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Oh!
Santa Maria? Wala, meron pa isa.
Hey! Are we on the right track?
In 600 meters, keep right at the fork.
Keep right on the floor. Yun na, lapit na.
In 500 meters, you will arrive at destination.
Step 1, may step pa.
What's up, everyone? We are now here in Porac, Pampanga. We are in Boracay Resort. So let us check out this place. Let's do this. Nice paint. Nice aircon. Uy! Maghanap lang kayo ng ano.
We're here! Okay, we're here to Boracay!
Ito. Ano to? Master? Uy, ang dami naman pala eh! Ooh, alright.
Pwede naman mag-charge.
Okay.
Pwede naman.
Dito.
Hello, neighbors!
Kitchen.
Ano, katama kaya ba?
Alright. Nice. Okay. Very clean. So far, so good. Okay.
Sana may cartoon.
She's telling you this thing.
Oh, ha? Kim!
Hi, welcome to my vlog. Vlog number ano na yan?
92.
Vlog number 92.
Hindi, dapat yan.
Harap ng Boracay. Harap ng Boracay doon.
Good evening, Boracay!
Alright. Oh, let's go, baby. Saan na? Alright, guys. We are done for the day.